Hello everyone. Today I'm going to be walking you through just a brief introduction to Piktochart, which is an online tool for teachers and students to create posters and brochures, and it's a really great tool. So let me just show you. I did the free trial. You can start with a free trial and do up to 5 projects for free. So that's what I did. Once you create a account, you'll want to log in. So here's my account. When you log in, it takes you to this dashboard, and on the dashboard is projects that you've already completed and then options for other projects you might want to do. So as you can see, they have options for infographics, presentations, posters, reports, flyers, and a social media option. So let me just show you the templates. If you click on one of these, they give you a huge a variety of templates, and these templates are really versatile. You can change them in any way you want. All the things you see on them are adjustable, but let me just go into one to show you some of the stuff you can do. As a science teacher, I really love Piktochart, and the reason why is especially because of this toolbox down here. If you click on the toolbox, you'll see you can actually put maps, videos, and charts into either your infographic or your poster or your flyer. And under the charts, this is just some sample data that has nothing to do with science, but you'll see that there are tons of options for how to display this data. So I just think this is a great way for kids to show data creatively, to experiment with lots of different types of data representation. And then obviously over here you can input all your values, and then you can insert that into your infographic. So I'll just insert this chart. And there it is. Obviously I would need to get rid of the background and everything. The other tools over here is there are a lot of background options. You can choose from a variety of colors and designs. There's a lot of different options for text. At the end, you can just save, and then you can share. And if I were having kids do this in the classroom, I would probably just have them email their file to me so that it could be displayed on a whiteboard or shared with parents and other classmates. So my favorite thing about Piktochart, let me go back to my homepage and show you a project I already completed. But I love Piktochart because it really forces students to use their summarizing skills. As you can see here, there's not a great deal of room on either the poster or the infographic or whatever they're doing for them to just write a ton of words. So they really have to summarize and think about what the most important part of their information is, and they have to display that in a more succinct way. So anyway, that's a brief introduction to Piktochart. Hope you enjoy.